The topic of today's video is how to change the default font on Windows 11. So the first thing I'm going to tell you is don't do this. Next thing I'm going to do is show you how to do this. So the first thing that you want to do is right click on the Windows button and click on Run. Then we're going to type in regedit, press OK, and we're going to go to File, Export, and name this whatever you want. It's just a backup folder for when you inevitably wreck your system. Alright, now I've got a registry text down in the description of this video in the comment section. So just check that out at the bottom of this video. You want to go to search and you're going to type in fonts. Click on the fonts, find whatever font you want down in the list, and then click on it. Alright, leave that open, and now what we're going to do is go back to search and we're going to type in Notepad and click on that. Alright, so here in the Notepad you want to paste all that junk I put at the bottom of the video description, and where it says your font name, that is where you're going to put in the last bit of information here just after the last backslash. So mine will be bounded extralight.ttf. Make sure to get the full thing in there. And once you're done there, what you want to do is you want to click on File, Save As, and then name it whatever you want, as long as you make the extension .reg for registry edit. When you're done there, just click on Save, navigate to wherever you saved the registry file, and then you can just double click on it and that will begin the installation. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.